have this storable that I found. I wanted to do an opening of it on camera. First of all, I love the little Death Star that it comes in. So, looks like there's about 4 things that it could be. Let's open this up and see what are the possibilities for the Doorables and which ones we want. I know I definitely want a Stormtrooper and probably the Luke Skywalker. He's cute. And probably R2-D2. And then whoever else would be fine. So we'll set that aside. Let's open them up. Here we go. See if we can not cut myself. Oh my gosh, it's Han Solo. Oh, he's cute. He's really cute. Luke! Oh my gosh. He's so cute. I love his little expression. That's so funny. Oh, awesome. Okay. So far, we got some good ones. So we got Han Solo and Luke. Okay. Let's go for the third one. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, I love him. Okay, so fingers crossed. Let's get a Stormtrooper. Or even Darth Vader. Darth Vader would be good. Man. I don't even know who this guy is. Who was that? Oh, I didn't realize there was all of these ones too. Professor... Yeah, I don't even know. Well, anyway, 3 out of 4. That's pretty good, right? Hoping you can see him. I'm hoping I have this on the angle right. So R2-D2, Luke, Han Solo, and Professor, whoever that is. So, not too bad on those. Cute.